Iran dominates the headlines. Conflicts, threats, secret alliances, nuclear ambitions. What few realize is that its story is already written in the Bible. Its beginning and its end. Yes, Iran appears in the Bible from Genesis to the prophecies of the end times, but under its ancient name, Persia. Because the Bible doesn't just tell us about Iran's beginning, it also foretells its ultimate destiny in one of the darkest and most feared passages in Revelation, the war of Gog and Magog, a coalition that will rise up against Israel in the last days. But before becoming a prophetic enemy, Persia was God's chosen empire to free his people, rebuild the temple, and fulfill Daniel's prophecies. Stay with me until the end, because today you're about to discover what very few dare to reveal: Iran's true role in God's greater plan.